is an inverted story of Magellan and Lapu-Lapu long time ago. On March 16, 1521, when Magellan was discovered by Philippines, they were sailing day and night across the big island until they saw Small Limasawa Ocean. Magellan landed in Olongapo City. To get some cat, they were very happy. But accidentally, Magellan he got sick because he's playing with a high voltage lady. When Lapu-Lapu came to rescue, he boarded an airplane from Cebu. And when he saw Magellan on his bed, he cried and cried, and then he said,
Mitolo na. Bakit pare mitolo na? Ang sagot niya kay Lapu-Lapu, napaparaos lang ako. What can I do? What can I do, baby? Kung may herpes ka, pare ko, maayo pang putulon mo. Aron wala na'y istorbo. Paring Magellan, you are sick. Hagol the doctor very quick. The doctor said Magellan is just fine because his sickness is just like mine. Paring Magellan, you are sick. Hagol the doctor very quick. The doctor said Magellan is just fine